Since the time I knew you, my life becomes brand new. I've never been this happy. I married my girl, a fantasy, my fantasy. I'll always be your true friend. In times of troubles you can depend. You paint my world with rainbows. You're a gem I cannot lose, I cannot lose. I thank you for sharing me your life. I thank God that you became my wife. We'll grow old together, giving you all my love and care. For you I will be here. Life's a constant journey. By your side I'll always stay. Whatever lies ahead, my love will never fade. Be strong, be not afraid. I thank you for sharing me your life. I thank God that you became my wife. We'll grow old together, giving you all my love and care. If our bond will be loosened, please hold on tight and keep on believing. Our vow of love will stand against the test of time, until the end of time. I thank you for sharing me your life. I thank God that you became my wife. We'll grow old